Hey, this is Steve from B&M. Today I'm happy to introduce our replacement off-road gate plates for the B&M Pro Stick and Street Bandit shifters that fit the 3-speed transmissions. Now, these replacement gate plates are 100% direct bolt-on. They're easy at home installation. You can do it with basic hand tools. Now for demonstration purposes, we went ahead and just label it so you can see what gear it is. Now the standard gate plate, you basically have a lockout in every single gear, and also you have a reverse lockout trigger switch right up here. Now with this gate plate, we're going to eliminate that reverse lockout switch, and we're going to show you exactly how this thing works. So from park to reverse, it's got a lockout feature. It won't allow you to get into reverse until you squeeze the trigger handle, and you can walk it right back into reverse. Now reverse all the way to drive, you simply just pull the handle back. So reverse, neutral, drive, and when you hit drive, you can hit another lockout, so it doesn't allow you to go into second gear until you squeeze the trigger, pull it back into second. Now second to first, you just go ahead and just pull it back again. Now going from first all the way up to neutral, you can simply just keep pushing the shifter forward. So from first, second, drive, and then neutral. When you hit neutral, you're going to hit another stop. So you're going to go ahead and squeeze the handle and then walk it into reverse. Again, from reverse to park, you're going to hit another stop. So go ahead and squeeze the handle and you go right back into park. Now the cool feature with this, since this is the off-road gate plate, if you're stuck in the mud and you want to rock the truck in and out of the hole, you basically squeeze the handle. So from drive to reverse, simply just rock it back and forth as much as you want and get yourself out of that hole. Now same thing with drive to neutral. If you want to basically push it, you can go right to neutral and rock it right back to drive, right back to neutral, and then back to drive. And again, you're going to hit the stops and it won't allow you to go into reverse or won't allow you to go into second gear. Now these gate plates come with all necessary hardware and instructions, and they're backed up by B&M's lifetime limited warranty. I hope to see one soon on your off-road rig, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.